Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 293. If we start with this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 3, 6, 3, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 4, 8. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 8, 1, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 5, 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. For this row, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 9, 5. And that 9 makes this our 1, 4, 1. For this box, we're missing 6 and 9. And have we made a mistake already? We've got a 6 here and a 6 here. Alright, well that'll do it for today's puzzle. If you saw where I made a mistake, leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.